Oh my God! Don't look at me! Enough!
I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright?
It sucks to be me.
Yeah, that'll work. Good choice. Use that every time.
Why would you think to do this?
Don't put this on YouTube. Tell nobody of what you see. This is rather peaceful.
You make me feel ugly.
So, what do you want to do?
Fabulous.
My cheeks are burning.
I may change my name.
So... Oh. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Boring.
No.
Penetrate, please. Don't get my box wet.
Oh, please, not, no, please.
Stand down. What's that for?
I can't take this.
Out of shooting range.
Probably want a cracker.
What else is there?
Oh, got him.
I buy Band-Aids by the truckload.
Oh, this is a slice of life.
What are we doing now?
No!
Time out! Time out! Truce! Truce! I know match for you! I know a psychologist! I'm unarmed! You have more? Time out! Time out! I'm a pacifist! Truce! Truce! I know match for you! You like to share? Hey, get me all broken! Siri, call the ambulance!
Yow! Ah! Ow! Ah! Are you take it? No! I'm out! I'm out!
Read the directions! That's not right.
Give it up!
It's nothing sacred.
Oi!
Nothing is safe. I don't get it. Read the directions. You got neat things.
Are we going to play? Choose something else. I'm dying!